for Friday the 10th of January 2020. This is Force 13 Australia Oceania Channel, where the Bureau of Meteorology has several warnings in place. Severe weather warning for the northeast pastoral parts of the Flinders, northwest pastoral districts in South Australia. Vigorous southerly winds change across today, and the warning for damaging winds for the northeast pastoral parts of the Flinders, northwest pastoral districts. Vigorous southerly wind change will move across the north of South Australia late afternoon, evening today. Damaging southerly winds averaging 55 to 70 kilometres an hour, with gusts around 90 kilometres an hour, are forecast to develop in the warning area from late Friday afternoon as the vigorous southerly wind changes move across areas to raise dust possible. Locations which may be affected: Marla, Cooper Pedy, Roxby Downs, Lee Creek, Marie, Unadilla and Mooma. Severe weather warning is in place due to ex-tropical cyclone Blake for damaging winds, heavy rainfall for the south interior districts. Ex-tropical cyclone Blake at 4 a.m. was located over the west interior, approximately 250 kilometres southeast of Newman, 210 kilometres northeast of Ralluna, and has become near stationary. It is expected that conditions should begin to ease during Friday afternoon, evening, as the system begins to weaken. Damaging winds averaging 50 to 60 kilometres an hour, peak gusts of around 100 kilometres an hour possible, and could cause damage to homes' properties. The strongest winds likely to be near the centre, and the locations close to the system's centre may experience sustained periods of strong and gusty winds. Heavy rainfall may lead to flash flooding. Rainfall total 75 to 150 millimetres. Isolated falls in excess of 200 millimetres. Flood warnings remain in place. East Pilbara coast, and people in the north of WA may expect this type of weather each year. And just switching back to South Australia, road weather alert is in force for Adelaide. Severe weather warning for the northeast parts of the East Gippsland and West South Gippsland forecast districts. Strong and squally southwesterly winds following a cold front. Cold front will cross Victoria during today, moving across western districts during the morning, central district in the middle of the day, eastern districts during the afternoon and evening. Southwesterly wind change could follow the passage of the front. Locations which may be affected: Wodonga, Wangaratta, Sale, Barnsdale, Orbost, Mount Hotham and Falls Creek. The Bureau in Victoria has a gale warning for the Port Phillip Bay, Western Port, Gippsland Lake, Central Gippsland, East Gippsland Coast. Strong wind warning, the West Coast, Central Coast. Severe weather warning, Riverina, Lower Western, parts of the Metropolitan, Illawarra, Central West Slopes, Plains, Southwest Slopes, Upper Western and the Snowy Mountains forecast districts. Vigorous southerly change later today. Damaging winds averaging 55 to 65 kilometres an hour, with gusts around 90 kilometres an hour possible over parts of inland New South Wales late Friday afternoon, evening, and the Illawarra, Sydney, Central Coast, coastal fringe during tonight. Locations which may be affected: Gosford, Sydney, Wollongong, Wagga Wagga, Albury, Cobar and Broken Hill. And this isn't going to help the the fire scene. Fire weather warning: Illawarra, Shoalhaven, far south coast, Monaro, Alpine, Southern Ranges, Central Ranges, Northwest and Southern slopes, Eastern Riverina, Northern Riverina forecast district. Very hot, windy conditions will bring elevated fire dangers to parts of New South Wales during today and more so in the southern districts. Fire weather warning remains in place for the ACT. Now we have a look at the latest 12-hourly and 24-hour rainfall from the Bureau of Meteorology. And whilst we have severe weather, ex-tropical cyclone Blake 92S likely to become tropical cyclone Claudia. We are standing by on our US channel to cover a severe weather threat. And 27.1 Sydney, 28.9 Melbourne, 30.6 here in Brisbane, 21 Perth, 20.4 Adelaide, 29.5 Hobart, 30.1 Canberra, 25.4 in Darwin. Current temperatures. We will have more later on today.
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information on Force 13 Australia, you can check us on all of our outlets. Our website, force13.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force13AU. You're probably there already. Good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force13, where we post our updates and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force13AU. And if you want to rock our colors, you can do so by way of our store, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of Patreon. More information can be found at patreon.com/Force13. And you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or directly to us at Aussie_weather01 at extension 6388 on Discord, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.